أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today's video is going to talk about some precedent and case studies regarding rehabilitation centers for endangered marine species and specifically turtles. Alhamdulillah, Malaysia is blessed with 4 out of 7 sea turtle species. These 4 are originated in Malaysia and lay their eggs here. The first is leatherback turtle. Leatherback turtle is the largest adult species in Malaysia. It goes up to 2 meters high, and its main diet is jellyfish. The second is the green sea turtle. It is said to be one of the prettiest, and it is the second largest species. It goes up to 1 meters high. Their main diet consists of seagrass and seaweed. The third species is hawksbill turtle, and it feeds on corals and sponges. Number 4. Olive ridley turtle. It is the smallest turtle species in Malaysia, and they feed on crustaceans such as crabs and shrimps. Moving on to the precedent studies. We have National Marine Life Centre located in USA and Monrepos Turtle Centre in Australia, and the Turtle Hospital located in Florida. National Marine Life Centre, designed by Chris Studi, Worcester, MA. Located in the United States of America, the hospital aims to rehabilitate and release endangered marine species and to advance scientific knowledge and education in marine wildlife and conservation. They have many different facilities, including sea turtle ward, dolphin pool, seal rehabilitation pool, and classrooms. The National Marine Life Centre has treated over 120 of the endangered species, threatened and protected aquatic animals. The Rehabilitation Centre has protected and cared over 21 endangered species. The building has linear organization order. The organization serves to define the function of the space, which is organized to provide a better view and experience to the visitors. As the plan shows, the spaces are services, science and turtle treatment and educational spaces. The second precedent study is Monrepos Turtle Centre. It is located in Bargara, Australia, designed by the architect Richard Kirk in 2019. The most important spaces in Monrepos Turtle Centre are the inquiry counter, the exhibition hall, the theatre, the cafeteria, and the research offices. The Monrepos Beach and environs is the most important turtle nesting ground in Australia and has been a key research centre for over 40 years. The main functions were built for research, education purposes and tourism. The building is mainly made of timber. The structure and building fabric were designed to withstand a corrosive sea air and seasonal cyclones of a lifespan of over 40 years. The building was primarily constructed using glue laminated timber for both structure and linings. The last but not least Precedent study is the Turtle Hospital, which is located at Marathon, Florida. Its main objective is to rehab injured sea turtles and return them to their natural habitat.
Veterinary hospital strictly for sea turtles. We rescue, rehabilitate, and release endangered and threatened sea turtles back to the wild.
The Turtle Hospital provides a lot of facilities that are required for turtle rehabilitation. Treatment rooms are also provided to treat the injured and sick turtles. There are a lot of turtle tanks with different usage. Some tanks are separated into two sections, each containing individual tanks for sea turtles that require intensive care. This chain link enclosure that is covered with a shaded cloth is for the comfort of the turtles, the employees and the guests. The Turtle Hospital is made of brick and concrete with post and beam structure, separated buildings organized in linear organization.
By analyzing the Precedent study, using a glue lamp gives us the freedom of having big opening spaces with long spans, such as exhibition hall and a treatment tank area, as it is an environmentally friendly material in addition to glass and bricks. Case study 1. Turtle treatment tank. As those tanks comes in different sizes, depends on the numbers of turtles are kept inside and their sizes as well, but most importantly is having at least enough space for them to swim around in the tanks. Tanks should be designed and placed in a way where we can get natural sunlight to hit the tanks directly instead of using artificial lighting, at least during the daytime. Water temperature also should be carefully controlled and kept between 23.9 and 29.4 Celsius degree, as well as the pH levels should be maintained to be between 2.7 and 8.5. That is how water quality should be maintained at all times. Second case study is about the glued laminated timber glue lamp. The glue lamp is a structural material manufactured through the union of individual wood segments. As a glue lamp is preferred by contractors for its characteristics and the advantages of using it, for instance, flexibility, its ability of producing arched and curved shapes in beams and pillars. In addition to that, glue lamp can be used in different parts in the structure. Also, glue lamp is a high fire resistance material, moisture resistance, and light, as it is lighter than other construction materials such as steel or reinforced concrete. Turtle-friendly lighting is sort of lighting that is specifically designed to minimize the ecological impact that the traditional lighting, artificial lighting, have on turtles and wildlife. This sort of lighting is what makes sea turtles happily go to the beach in order to nest and lay their eggs, but the truth is that they are not happy due to the light pollution that is caused by the artificial lighting, caused by all types of lighting that we human beings use to lighten our houses, streets, educational institutes, and cities. That light pollution is what disturbing and preventing sea turtles from nesting and laying their eggs at the beaches. That what makes them mad and raise boards against us humans, asking us to turn those lights off. That is when the FWC stepped in and issued lighting rules and regulations to be applied to all types of properties that is built at the coastal areas, hoping to save endangered sea turtles from extinction. That's pretty much everything from us. Thank you so much for listening.
Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.